Are you getting ready for the U.S. citizenship test? What if I told you there's a simpler way to learn and pass? Hi, I'm Peter from Citizen Now, the #1 American citizenship study app. Welcome to our channel. With us, you'll not only pass the U.S. citizenship interview and test, but do it the easiest way possible. We're here to make your journey stress-free and successful. On this channel, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, so you can be 100% ready to pass on test day, including the 100 civics questions, interview simulations, and 400 questions and study resources. We'll be uploading new content every week, so stay tuned for more tips on naturalization and study hacks. Good luck, future citizens. You've got this. Like and subscribe for new content every week.